Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into question 18 from our SQL Business Intelligence series. How to find customers who placed at least 1,000 orders and whose total ordered amount was over $10,000 last year. Let's explore how to answer this question using SQL Server. We're working with an orders table that includes the following fields. Customer number identifies the customer. Order number tracks each order. Order date tells us when the order was placed. Shipped quantity, how many items were shipped. Unit cost, price per unit. There is no primary key in this table, and each row represents a line item in a sales transaction. Here's what we need to do. Filter the orders to only include those placed in 2024. For each customer, calculate total number of orders, total ordered amount, which is shipped quantity multiplied by unit cost. Only return customers who placed at least 1,000 orders, spent more than $10,000. And finally, sort the results by order count in descending order. The expected output should be like this. Here's the SQL query we use in SQL Server Management Studio. Let's break it down. The where clause filters the orders to just those from 2024. We group the results by customer number to get totals per customer. In the having clause, we apply our thresholds. Over 1,000 orders and over $10,000 in total spending. Round ensures the total amount is displayed with 2 decimal places. Order by ensures customers with the highest order count appear at the top. After running the query, we get 14 high-value customers. These are your most active and valuable customers in 2024. An important insight for loyalty programs, targeted marketing, or strategic planning. Key takeaways. This query is a great example of how SQL can support business intelligence by filtering data by date, aggregating and summarizing metrics, applying thresholds for advanced filtering, sorting results for better insight. If you're analyzing customer behavior, this kind of query is a powerful tool for identifying your top-tier customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.